If you feel weak when people confront you. If your confidence disappears in important moments. This isn't because you're broken. It's because you were never taught how to build mental strength. Many men today feel stuck. They overthink, avoid conflict, and lose respect for themselves. They think something is wrong with them. But the truth is simpler. Weakness isn't your identity. It's a condition created by habits, environment, and fear. You don't become strong by feeling motivated. You become strong by surviving small discomforts daily. Every time you avoid fear, your brain learns weakness. Every time you face discomfort, your brain learns strength. Start with small challenges. Speak even when your voice shakes. Maintain eye contact for 1 extra second. Say no when you usually say yes. Control your dopamine. Too much comfort, scrolling, distractions, instant pleasure trains your mind to avoid difficulty. Keep promises to yourself, even tiny ones. A man who trusts himself becomes naturally confident. You don't rebuild yourself in one day. You rebuild yourself every time you choose discomfort over escape. Start small and rebuild the man. If you're serious about rebuilding yourself, subscribe. This channel is for men who refuse to stay weak.